Annoyed by those never-ending ads while browsing? Want a faster, ad-free experience in Chrome? In this video, I'll show you how to install and set up an ad blocker in Google Chrome in just a few simple steps. Step 1. Open Chrome Web Store. Open Google Chrome on your computer. In the address bar, type Chrome/extensions and press Enter, or go to the Chrome Web Store by searching for it on Google. Step 2. Search for a trusted ad blocker. In the Chrome Web Store, go to the search bar and type Ad Blocker. Look for uBlock Origin, AdBlock, or AdBlock Plus. These are some of the best-rated ad blockers. Click on the extension you want and then hit Add to Chrome. A pop-up will appear. Click Add Extension. Step 3. Configure your ad blocker. Once installed, you'll see a small puzzle icon in the top right corner of Chrome. Click on it, and again, click on Menu icon. Then click on Manage Extension. Make sure ad blocking is enabled for all websites. Step 4. Enjoy an ad-free browsing experience. Now, visit a website or YouTube to test it. You'll notice that ads are no longer showing. And that's it. Now you can browse faster and without annoying ads slowing you down. If this video helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Have questions? Drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to share this with friends who need an ad-free browsing experience.